What is YouTube TV and how does it work? YouTube TV is a subscription-based TV streaming service that offers live TV from over 100 channels, including major broadcast networks, popular cable channels, and regional sports networks. Essentially, it's a replacement for traditional cable TV, but everything is streamed over the internet, making it much more flexible and accessible across devices. Key features of YouTube TV: live TV. Access to major broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox, and top cable channels like ESPN, CNN, AMC, and more. Live sports. Watch all the big games live with regional and national sports networks. Unlimited DVR. Record as much content as you want with no storage limit. Your recordings are saved for up to 9 months. Multiple accounts. You can have up to 6 different user accounts per household, each with its own personalized recommendations and DVR library. Watch on any device. Whether you prefer to watch on your TV, phone, tablet, or computer, YouTube TV supports it all. Spanish programming options. The Spanish plan. Available as a standalone plan for those who primarily want Spanish language content. Spanish Plus add-on can be added to the base plan for even more Spanish language content. So how does YouTube TV work? First, sign up process. To start using YouTube TV, head over to tv.youtube.com where you can sign up for a base plan at $72.99 per month. If you're new, you can begin with a free trial to test it out. Now, during the sign up process, you will need to confirm your location. YouTube TV will ask you for your home zip code and use your device's location to ensure you get the correct local channels. Select premium add-ons. You can choose to add premium channels like HBO Max, Showtime, or Stars for an additional fee. Watching on devices. YouTube TV is incredibly flexible. You can watch it on various devices, including smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Roku, Vizio, and more. Streaming devices. Apple TV, Fire TV Stick, Chromecast, and Roku. Mobile devices, Android and iOS phones and tablets. Game consoles, PlayStation and Xbox. Web browsers, stream directly from Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. DVR and streaming capabilities. With YouTube TV's unlimited DVR, you can record live TV and keep it for up to 9 months. You can also stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for families or shared households. Location and local networks. YouTube TV uses your internet connection to determine your location and offer local channels specific to your area. You can update or verify your location settings to ensure you're getting the correct local programming, especially if you're traveling. So, is YouTube TV right for you? Well, if you're looking for a flexible all-in-one service that combines live TV, sports, and on-demand content without the hassle of traditional cable, then YouTube TV is a solid choice. It's especially appealing if you love the ability to record shows and sports with no storage limits and prefer watching across multiple devices. YouTube TV has a straightforward sign-up process, excellent device compatibility, and a variety of programming options to fit most viewing preferences.